Okay, now we will demonstrate the TAS diagnostic test. The TAS diagnostic test should be performed at least weekly on your instrument or anytime there's been a significant change to your instrument. For example, if you have changed a lamp or if you have just done a TAS alignment. You should always run the TAS diagnostic test afterwards to make sure that your instrument is performing according to factory specifications. So we will use two TAS standards to run the TAS diagnostic. And as with the alignment, please make sure that your sample presentation window is clean, that you have the red sample ring in place in the multi-cup adapter, the one with the red dot, that you have your multi-cup adapter with the silver pins of the instrument through the two holes with the red dots on your multi-cup adapter. So this centers the multi-cup adapter on top of the instrument, and that your instrument is warmed up. We say for the diagnostic test at least a half hour. Okay, to run the diagnostic test, you do not need to be logged into the admin role. You can just click down here with the purple icon, and it brings up this message box. It says that this takes approximately 10 minutes to complete. So go ahead and click OK. And a wizard again will lead you through. Again, this is only two standards. So it says to put the wavelength standard on the sample window. I have it in my sample ring with the notches, the lugs on the outside of the standard in the little slots of the red sample ring. And I will go ahead and press OK. So this will scan about 4 minutes or so, and then it will prompt me for the photometric standard, and I will swap out the standards and put that one in, press OK, and then at the end it will show the results. So again, I'm going to speed up this video for you. Okay, this message indicates that the wavelength standard has successfully scanned. So we are going to remove the wavelength standard from the sample ring, and we will put in the photometric standard. Again, make sure that the lugs on the outside of the standard are in the slots in the sample ring. And once that is securely placed, you can go ahead and press OK. So now the TAS diagnostics program will scan the photometric standard, and at the end, it will present the results for 6 different metrics in the test, along with pass-fails. Okay, and when the TAS performance or TAS diagnostic test is done, you will be presented with the results from the 6 different metrics that we measure, along with a pass and fail indication. So you can see that all 6 of the tests have passed. They've all got green dots or pass indicators for each one of those tests. So you can go ahead if you would like to and save this as a report. You can press the printer button down here. It will initiate a real quick crystal report template, and it will drop off a PDF file into your C Unity reports directory. If after running your TAS diagnostics, if you have any of the tests that have failed, we recommend that you troubleshoot it in this order. First, wait another 20 or 30 minutes and rerun your TAS diagnostic test. Most failures are due to your instrument not being properly warmed up. Next, take a look at your sample presentation window and the standards, and make sure that the presentation window and the surface of the standards are clean. And if they aren't, wipe them with a soft, dry rag like a microfiber cloth is great. If there is any kind of a sticky substance or other material on there, you can use a very high grade of alcohol. Use very, very little, use it very sparingly, but we recommend a very high grade like HPLC grade alcohol to clean the windows, the sample presentation window and the standard. And finally, go ahead and rerun your TAS diagnostic test. If you are still getting failures, make sure that your lamp is performing correctly with the lamp health test. And if all of that is working properly, we recommend that you contact your KPM Unity Scientific Product Specialist to help you with further troubleshooting. Thank you.